Hello everyone, welcome back to the class. So, Friday I was unable to upload the classes because I was traveling. So, there was network issues, so I was unable to share the class. So, anyhow, we will get a class today. So, before starting the class today, I want to transfer some positive energy to you. So as we know that from past some months we are at home only, and we have become bored and we don't want to listen the class online through YouTube or through any media. We just want that the colleges should get open as soon as possible. So in this situation, in this scenario, while we are at home and we have got bored staying at home, so there is also something we can do till our government gives permission for the colleges to get open. So as you are at home, you can transfer positive energy. You can transfer positive energy to your mom, your father, your siblings, your grandmother, grandfather, etc. Being angry, being sad, and thinking over isn't worth it. Just let the things flow, be positive, just smile at everyone whenever you wake up, talk to them, be friendly. It's just a time to be happy. People like to be around those who give them positive energy. Just talk to them, smile with them, help your mother, help your father, enjoy with your siblings, and explore yourself. Just think what you want to be, find your talents, do something. Just don't waste your time. Be positive. If you have a positive energy, you will always attract the positive outcomes. Being negative, just thinking, overthinking, being sad, being angry on others, and doing nothing at home, and troubling your siblings, um, making making naughtiness, it's just not worthy. Just think, let the things flow, and let everything smile. So this is one message I wanted to transfer to you. Be positive, don't be negative, just smile at everyone and everything will be sought out. So in this class we are going to discuss about the procedure of issuing the accounting standard. In the last videos we have discussed all about the accounting standards, meaning, advantages, disadvantages, objectives, and we have also discussed the types, difficulties, and that important question that which institution or which sector should frame the accounting standards. Then we also discussed about the institutions involved in setting the accounting standards. So this next topic is what is the procedure, what are the methods, what are the steps involved in issuing the accounting standards. So as we know, the accounting standards are made by ASB, so Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, in association of ASB. So this institution is responsible for making the accounting standards in consultation with some other organization. So the first step for issuing the accounting standard is ASB, this association which is established by the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, that is ASB. Its work is to make the accounting standards. So after consulting with the various study groups, so first of all, there are some study groups of ISAI. ISAI, Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, they have made some study groups. So they have made some study groups, like for example they have made some four groups of the chartered accountants. So popular chartered certified accountants, they have made some groups. So there are four groups. So what is the work of this ASB is, ASB has to consult with this study groups. So he has to, this institution, it has to consult with these four study groups, and whatever the groups tells, it has to record it, and at last it has to prepare a draft of the accounting standards. So ASB of ICAI, after consulting with the various study groups, has to prepare one draft. So that is the first step of issuing the accounting standard. So first of all, a draft, a rough sketch, we can say a rough sketch has to be prepared by ASB. A rough sketch needs to be prepared by ASB after consulting the various study groups. The next step is the draft which is prepared will be circulated to council members of ICAI. So ICAI has some council members. So council members, for them this draft is circulated. First step is making the draft. Second step is that draft has to be circulated to the council members. So here for example the council members are, the first one here is ICSI. Here ICSI stands for Institute of Company Secretariats of India. So Company Secretariats of India is also one of the council member of ICAI. The next is ICWAI. So ICWAI is the Institute of Cost and Works Accountants of India. The Institute of Cost and Works Accountants of India, etc. For example, more are RBI, Reserve Bank of India, told you SEBI. So these are some council members. So in the last class we discussed that in the institution the standard setting in India, in that topic we discussed ICAI with ASB, and ASB with SEBI and ASB with Income Tax Act, and ASB with Company Law. So Company Law, Income Tax Act 1991, SEBI, RBI, ICSI, that is Institute of Company Secretariat of India, Institute of Cost and Workers Accountants of India. These are the major, we can say the authority. It is the supreme authority. Like for banks we have RBI, like for stock exchange we have SEBI, like for secretariats we have Institute of Company Secretariats of India. For cost work we have Institute of Cost and Works Accountants of India. Same here we have for accounts, we have Institute of Chartered Accountants of India. So these are the some major supreme authorities, with them also the ICAI, the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, has to consult. By taking into interest of their investors, then only the ICAI, in consultation with these study groups, he has this for by taking into consideration the council members, the draft is finalized. So next step is exposure of the draft. So after meeting with all these institutions, if the draft is finalized by this institution, ASB, what ASB will do, ASB will submit this draft to ICAI. This draft will be circulated for ICAI for public comments. If the draft is accepted by the council members, ASB will transfer this draft and ICAI will publish the draft for public comment. So the public will can also provide our comments by reading the draft. This is the third step. Next is, after considering the comments are received, the draft is finalized. So if there is no opposition for the draft made, if everything is said, there is no opposition, there is nothing wrong, the draft is finalized. Next, fifth step is, the ICAI is found necessary to make consultation with the ASB. So the ICAI, what it will do, even though the draft is finalized, even though the comments received are positive, the ICAI again it will ask the IASB to consult again and make any required modification. So for to be in the safer side, the ICAI again will ask the ASB to consult again with the council members, to consult again with the study groups, and make required modification, make required changes if needed. Why? Because in the next step it has to issue the final accounting standards. So in the fifth step, after making the modification, finally the accounting standards are issued. So who is responsible here? Who is responsible to bring the accounting standards to the public? So here again I have told you one institution with one organization, that is MCAI. It is Ministry of Corporate Affairs in association of NACAS. I told you in the previous class what is NACAS. NACAS is stand for National Advisory Committee on Accounting Standard. So this is the advisory committee. So advisory committee will recommend the council, Ministry of Corporate Affairs, to notify the accounting standards. So why this ministry is responsible for notifying the accounting standards? Why? Because Ministry of Corporate Affairs is responsible for controlling the corporate sector. It is responsible for making the rules and regulations for the company. So only after finalizing all the accounting standards, the final notification recommendation will be sent through NACAS, that is National Advisory Committee on Accounting Standards, to MCA, that is Ministry of Corporate Affairs, to notify all the corporate sectors to adopt, to implement the accounting standards. So and so accounting standards have been issued. So these companies who are eligible for the accounting standards has to adopt the accounting standards. So this notification will be released by the central government through the Ministry of Corporate Affairs. So these are the steps, procedure of issuing the accounting standards, which is followed in India. So first step is draft of accounting standard is prepared. Next the draft is circulated. Next the exposure draft is made. Next the draft is finalized. If there is any modification, the modification will be made by the ASB. Next the fifth step is issuing the final accounting standard, and the last step is notifying the accounting standards with the help of MCA to the corporate sectors. So these are the procedure, or we can say these are the steps for issuing the accounting standards. So let's revise it once again. So here the same steps have been repeated. So it is given in another form. So you can say this pie chart here, the Council of Institute, it has written. So that is the Council of Members I told you. So ICSI, ICWAI. So here first is considers the draft. So first point which we studied here is draft of AS. So here the draft is considered. Next, makes amendments or makes modification changes if necessary. Next, the third last point or step is AS is issued under the authority of council. So here under the authority of council means the Ministry of Corporate Affairs. So let's revise this step. So first determine broad area where AS is needed. So here first step, you can write this one or you can write the previous slide also, both are same. So here identification of the broad areas where the accounting standards are needed. We need accounting standards for assets valuation, we need accounting standards for liability, we need accounting standards for the capital, or we need accounting standards for the reporting. So these broad areas are first identify, these broad areas are first determine where we need rules, where we need standards to be put. So first of all, the overall rough sketch is made where we need these accounting standards in the company. That is the first step, assisted by the study group. So I told you, for example, there are 4 study groups made of certified public accountants, made of chartered accountants, made of auditors we can say, or made of some experienced economists. So ICA has some study groups. So this identification of broad areas will be done by the study groups. So next is whole dialogue with the government, public sector units and the industries. So I told you whole dialogue here in the sense it is consultation with the council members. It can be like supervised authorities like RBI, like SEBI, like company law, like Institute of Company Secretariats of India, cost workers accountants of India, with the central government, with the ruling party and other public sector units and the industries. The next is if exposure of the draft prepared for the comments. So as we studied in the last point, that is in the third step, here we have studied the exposure of the draft. The same point is here repeated. So the draft is provided for the public comments. So here we the public can also give our comments by reading the draft of the accounting standards. Next, after the draft is received, if there is no negative outcome, is everything is good, we have received good comments, we don't have any kind of modification or amendments to be done, so the draft is finalized. That draft, after finalizing the draft is converted into the accounting standards. The accounting standards is issued by the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, and notification will be done by the MCA, that is Ministry of Corporate Affairs. So here there is no worry for you people, don't get confused that whether accounting standards are issued by ICAI or MCA. So accounting standards will be issued by Institute of Chartered Accountants of India only, but the notification will be given by the MCA, that is Ministry of Corporate Affairs. So they have to inform the companies that so and so rules are going to be implemented. You people have to implement these rules from so and so date, and it is mandatory to follow these rules. So these orders can be only given by Ministry of Corporate Affairs, because the companies are the corporate sectors, we can say the industries, the public sector units are controlled by the Ministry of Corporate Affairs only, but the accounting standards will be issued by ICAI only with association of ASB. So this is all about today's class. If you have any doubt, if you want the detailed notes of this topic or any topic which we have done in the previous classes, you can ask me in your group. And once again, be positive, spread the positive energy, smile at everyone, and there is nothing being angry, being sad, being overthinking, being sitting idle. Just utilize your time, spread happiness, spread positive energy. All the best. Thank you. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in your group. Thank you.